Hey, I'm so glad I caught you because Color Street has news, and I gotta make sure you're aware of it because there's a lot of stuff going on. First of all, Color Street's celebrating their second birthday tomorrow, June 12th. So, of course, they want to do it up right with offering some incentives. So, let's talk about what's available to you guys starting tomorrow at 12 a.m. Central Time that you won't want to miss out on. First, let me actually grab the email that I just got from Color Street. So let me just pull that up so I can make sure I remember everything because I've never seen so much going on at once. All right, so tomorrow the first thing that's really awesome is that Color Street is releasing a limited edition nail strip to commemorate their second birthday. So let me show you what it looks like and tell you exactly what Color Street has to say about this new design. To celebrate this milestone, we're offering a special limited edition anniversary nail design, as well as a gift with purchase during our anniversary week. Ooh, more on that to come. Just hold on. So let me show you guys this. So as you can see, this is a beautiful lavender color, and it has a darker purple design. And look how cute that is. The accent nail has a C and an S for Color Street and a number 2 for our second birthday. So it's subtle, but you'll definitely know it when you're wearing these nail strips. And it's called Too Strong. It says, Too Strong will be available for purchase while supplies last. This delicate, elegant lavender and purple nail design features fun flourishes and a subtle call out to our second year celebration. So set your alarms and don't miss your chance to commemorate the day with this special shade. I can tell you right now that the Too Strong is one of our designs, so that'll be $13, but it will be applicable with our buy 3 get 1 free, which is good because you might want to stock up with a few sets in order to take advantage of our free gift with purchase. So what is the free gift? Let's check it out. All right, so okay, this is really exciting because this is the first time I've seen Color Street provide us with accent nails. Now, some of us stylists have something called twosies. That's when we give samples to people so that they can try the product for the first time. But in here, we see our first packaged accent nail from Color Street. I'm wondering if this might be a glimpse of things to come, but I have no idea. But wouldn't that be awesome? Let me know. If you think Color Street should provide us with accent nails as an option for purchasing, then please comment below and let us know. And let's see how many of you guys would like something like that available from Color Street. All right, so as you can see, this is going to be 4 nail strips for your accent nail, and this one is called Prism Break. Now, what's great about Prism Break is it is an overlay, so you can layer it over many different solid colors. And I have to say, in this picture, they have it overlaying Haole Toledo, which is fantastic, beautiful teal colored solid. So in order to obtain them, you'll need to make an online order of at least $50. Now that can't include tax and shipping. It has to be $50 of product in order to receive the free gift. Now, if you want more than one, you can do that, but you'd have to place multiple orders of $50. Now, have you ever thought of becoming a Color Street nail stylist yourself? Well, if you have been, you might want to enroll in June because our last option is an enrollment promotion that Color Street's offering. Now, this one is also kind of tied into one of our regular programs, which is called our Jumpstart Program. So let me briefly give you the rundown on the Jumpstart Program. So when you become a stylist, it's actually really easy. Basically, you just go to our online website, you fill out their form, and once you hit submit and you register as a stylist, that's it. You're going to get an email. You're going to get your login credentials. You have access to our back-end system, and you can go ahead and start placing orders and just get right in there. But one thing you'll also have access to is our Jumpstart program. And that means that within your first 35, 65, and 95 days, there's certain opportunities if you hit a certain sales goal or an enrollment goal to earn free product credits, business supplies, and even some cash. So if you're interested in learning more about the Jumpstart program, if you want to see exactly what it entails, or you're just thinking about joining and want to see a little more information on it, you're welcome to go to my page, which is join.sassygirlnails.com. And I'll also in the description throw a link directly to the Jumpstart program so that you can just get there really quickly if you don't want to look around through all the other information about joining and becoming a stylist. Anyway, the Jumpstart program. If you achieve your first Jumpstart, you will also earn, in addition to that $50 credit, some Color Street swag in the form of a makeup bag. Now, I don't have the makeup bag that they're going to be giving out. That's an exclusive, but I do have one that's similar that I got last year at the Color Street conference. Oh, speaking of conference, it's in August this year in Orlando. So if you become a stylist and want to go, there's still tickets available and we could totally hang in Orlando. I've got plans for Universal. It's going to be hot though, really hot. It's going to be hot. Anyway, so this is the bag that I got last year at the Color Street conference. It's a really great makeup bag. I happen to use it for my vault items. If you're part of my Facebook community, you know what that means. It's basically nail strips that I think are awesome, and if they're going to be limited edition, or maybe they're ones that I was only able to earn as a stylist, I don't tend to wear them. I tend to make them available for special occasions such as my birthday or Black Friday. You never know when I'm going to decide to open the vault. But anyway, if you're not part of my Facebook group, head on over so you'll be aware of what's going on with the vault sales. So as I mentioned, if you join in June and you achieve your Jumpstart, you'll get the makeup bag. Not only that though, all of those people will be entered into a pool for a drawing. 5 lucky winners are going to receive a trip to our corporate office in New Jersey, where you'll get to tour the factory, see how the product's being made. You'll get to meet the owner and founder, Fa Park. You'll also get to meet the corporate office staff, and you'll get to take your enroller. Wouldn't that be fun? So anyway, I can't wait to find out who those 5 lucky women are. I know it's going to be a fantastic trip, and it would be awesome if it was us going. But anyway, if you are interested in learning more about becoming a stylist, again, you can go to join.sassygirlnails.com, or just follow me on Facebook or send me a message. Just reach out to me and let me know if you have questions. I'm always here to help. And I think that's it. Let me just check one more time. Did I miss anything? So much going on. I've never seen this many things going on in 1 month. Color Street, I love you. All right, so I think we've got everything. So we've got, again, just to recap, starting tomorrow, we have a brand new limited edition nail design called Too Strong, and it's to showcase Color Street's 2nd birthday. Those are $13 each, and buy 3 get 1 free applies. We also have a free gift with purchase starting tomorrow, and that ends on 6/18/2019, in case you're watching an old video. And with that, it's an accent nail of 4 nails. It's an overlay that you can put on any solid that you want. And in order to earn the free gift with purchase, you just need to place an online order of $50. And then the last one was the June enrolling promotion, where if you are a new stylist in June and you reach your first Jumpstart, you will receive a makeup bag, and you'll also be entered to win a trip to the Color Street corporate office. I hope you guys are excited about the new nail strip designs and also those accent nails. And don't forget, again, comment below and let me know if you think Color Street should offer us accents to purchase separately from our regular strips. Anyway, I'm so excited to announce all of these things for you guys, and I hope you have a fantastic day. And stay tuned. I do have some new videos in the works. I noticed right now I'm a little bit naked nails, but right after I'm finished uploading this one, I will be filming my next video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!